Hello world, here's BD, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I am your Shiba Inu trading informant, and really important stuff here for the day for Shiba Inu. Yesterday we made a nice short. Today we are in the long. I will show you why, where is the next target and what's going on with Shiba Inu. So guys, let's go. So we are here in TradingView. This is a chart picture for TradingView, and this is the 15-minute chart. Okay, guys, look at this. Yesterday, I'm zooming in a little bit more. I told you we are building this little triangle. This one here. I told you guys, if we will break out this triangle to the downside, we will make a short position, guys. It would be a really nice short position because it's better to make a short position from here to watch what's going on here. So it was a nice short position, and yes, Shiba Inu broke out to the downside, short position. Then the next stuff, we broke the big triangle to the downside, and I told you guys the first target here on the downside is, watch this, 0.5 Fibonacci at 5,794. And you can see it, Shiba broke down to 5,800. And guys, remember, if we see these targets, these Fibonacci's, and you set a stop loss, it's always better to set a stop loss a little bit higher, not directly on the line, a little bit higher. Yesterday, I made a perfect short with this, with a nice leverage. And guys, this was so a perfect call out. So congratulations to anyone who made this Shiba Inu trade with me to the downside, this short position. So after this big spike to the downside, this is a really bullish spike because green candle with a long wick to the downside is a really bullish thing. We saw a nice upgoing Shiba up to this line, down again, a retest. And the retest on the bottom of the triangle was the next perfect long point. After this long point, a nice long position to the upside, and you can see, yes, we broke now finally this triangle to the upside, but we have to draw it as a new one. So let me show you. The triangle is now something like this here, and it's going down like this here. So for the moment, let's forget this Fibonacci lines. Let's remove it. Let's remove this stuff also. Let's remove this stuff. Let's remove this stuff, this and this and this. So we will check it as a new triangle now, guys. So 15-minute time frame. Okay, we have a nice breakout here, a nice breakout over the EMA 200. We are over the ribbon band. We are fighting for the moment with the ribbon band. And the biggest thing, the greatest thing is we are back again in this uptrend, guys. So the target. Yes, the target from the bottom here to the upside is this line, and we can draw it here like this. So we broke out this triangle to the upside, and the target, the first target that we have to watch is the middle line. Okay, depends always where we will hit the middle line, and the next one is the technical target here for breaking out Shiba Inu 9,800. Let me tell it, 10,000 is the next big thing for Shiba Inu. So we are now in a nice long position. What do we have to watch? Yes, we have to watch this Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to this lowest point, and it was this point here on this point. Yes, lowest point. So guys, where are the next things to watch? Let me zoom in a little bit. We are now fighting between two Fibonacci lines. First of all, support, and this must hold. This is important. This is now 6,900. That's the support. The next Fibonacci we are fighting for the moment, and we are for the moment under this Fibonacci, is 7,200, and the next one is 7,600, and the next one is this one, 8,100. So these are now the next targets for the upgoing Shiba. And guys, it depends always how much leverage do you have, or you are trading it one-to-one. So if you are trading it one-to-one, you can make a first profit point on a long position like this long position here. Like this long position from the downside, or if you are long on this breakout here, you can take profit here on the first point a little bit, can wait a little bit, and you can take profit here on the next one, So you can take profit and you can earn money, and you can take your money that you earned with this nice breakout to the upside. The important stuff is, guys, the big target, 9,800 for Shiba Inu for this technical breakout of this triangle. The technical target, sorry, for breaking this triangle to the upside. So sorry for my bad English, guys. So this is the big thing you have to watch. And yes, to the downside, we have a big support. Remember this, 5,700, or let me tell it, 5,700 here on the downside. This is the last low. This is the big support, and this must hold. If we will lose this uptrend again, guys, it may be bearish. So attention. We have to wait what's going on here for Shiba Inu. Let me check one thing. Let me check on the daily. Let's remove here everything. Let's remove the drawings. Let's zoom in here. So this is the daily now, and let me check here the Ichimoku. On the daily, Ichimoku is here on a price about 6,100. So it's always possible to spike down to 6,100 and then up again. The good stuff is we made here with this last closing candle a higher low, and this is good, guys. So we need to make lows over this point, over 5,800. As long as we're making lows over this point, everything is okay. The ribbon band is here as a nice support. Everything is working. Let me check the candles. And remember, guys, remember, we saw a bullish harami. After this, a nice breakout. Here, we saw a bearish harami. And after this, downgoing candles. For the moment, we are still in a bearish harami zone. So remember, this pattern is a bearish one. And here's, for the moment, no bullish pattern. Guys, let's check the 4 hours also really quick. Let's zoom in a little bit. And the 4 hours is telling us, look at this. Look at this. Really, really, really interesting. This red line is the Ichimoku, and this one, this red line, is now a resistance. And guys, we saw a bullish engulfing. After this, a nice breakout. Now we see a doji. A doji is, for the most times, a sign for a trend reversal. So maybe we're going down from here, guys. We have a big resistance to watch. This is this red line here. I can show you. The Ichimoku red line is the baseline, and the baseline is 26. So the red line is 26 candles. These are 26 candles, and it's the average of these 26 candles from the highest point to the lowest point. It's the middle, and it's the average. So 26, and here is the 9. So guys, we have the blue line here as a support, and we have the red line here as a resistance. And this is now the important stuff. Resistance 7,200, support on the downside 6,600. So that's the big thing for Shiba Inu for today. And I hope for the breakout, I told you this, for the breakout for the triangle. Yesterday a nice short, today a nice long, and I hope we can break out more and more. Guys, don't forget to take profit if you are in trading. Remember, guys, Shiba Inu is still a meme coin. Yes, they are working on technical background, but it is still a meme coin, and it's possible to go down here to 0. Why not? Shiba Inu is a meme coin. You have to remember this. And if I will become here thumbs to the downside, because I'm trading this, guys, I'm trading every crypto coin. I'm trading also Tesla gold and something like this. It doesn't matter what is the technical background of this. I would like to make money with trading. But Bitcoin is different. I will never short Bitcoin. I told you this because I think Bitcoin can change the world. It's a big thing for us for changing the world and the financial system. So I really never short Bitcoin. Yes, I sell it high, I buy it low. This is my thing for Bitcoin, but I'm not a Bitcoin shorter. That's not the thing for the other cryptos, guys. And it depends not what technical background is here for Shiba Inu, Ethereum, or something like this. Guys, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. And guys, thanks for a nice support. The yesterday video made so much. Thumbs to the upside. Thanks, and thanks for your comment. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours BD, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.